Students, today our topic is hexadecimal number system. The hexadecimal number system uses a radix of 16. Therefore, it has 16 possible digital symbols. The first 10 digits in the hexadecimal systems are represented by numbers 0 through 9, and the letter A through F are used to represent the number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 respectively. Now, conversion of decimal to hexadecimal. To convert decimal to hexadecimal, the technique is same as used for decimal to binary and decimal to octal, but here divisor is 16. First example, 423. So 423 divided by 16. So quotient is 26 and remainder is 7. Then here 26 divided by 16. So quotient is 1 and remainder is 10. This one we can put here and write down it down to up. So 1, 10 and 7. For 10, our hexa is 1. So we can write as 1A7. Our answer is 1A7. Next example, 541. So 541 divided by 16, quotient is 33 and remainder is 13. Then this 33, so 33 divided by 16, quotient is 2 and remainder is 1. You can put this 2 is here and then write down it down to up. So 2, 1, 13. 2, 1 and for 13 our hexa is D. So our answer is 21D. Now conversion of hexadecimal to decimal. In order to convert a hex number to its decimal equivalent, simply add up the position weights of each digit in the hex number. Now we can understand it with example. First example, 1A7. First separately these digits 1A and 7 and then right to left 16 powers. So 16 raised to 0, 16 raised to 1 and 16 raised to 2. And then multiplication and addition. So 1 multiply 16 raised to 2 plus A. A hexa means our 10. So 10 multiply 16 raised to 1 plus 7 multiply 16 raised to 0. So 1 multiply 16 raised to 2, 256 plus 10 multiply 16 raised to 1, 160 and 7 multiply 16 raised to 0 is 7. So our answer is 423. Next example, 21D. First separate these digits to 2, 1 and D. For hexa D, our here right to left 16 raised to 0, 16 raised to 1 and 16 raised to 2. 2 multiply 16 raised to 2 plus 1 multiply 16 raised to 1 plus D. So hexa D, our decimal is 13. So 13 multiply 16 raised to 0. 2 multiply 16 raised to 2 is 512. 1 multiply 16 raised to 1 is 16 and 13 multiply 16 raised to 0. Same, we know that 16 raised to 0 is 1. So 13. Addition of these digits. So our answer is 541. Now conversion of hexadecimal to binary. The conversion from hex to binary is performed by converting each hex digit to its 4-bit binary equivalent. We can understand it with example. First example, 1A7. First separate digits and then equivalent binary each digit. So for 1, our binary is 0001. For A is decimal 10, so binary is 1010. For 7, our binary is 0111, and then combine it, so our answer is 00110100111. Another example, 21D. First separate this digit 2 and 1 and D, and then separately write down equivalent binary. So for hexa 2, our binary is 0010. For hexa 1, our binary is 001. For hexa D, means our decimal 13, so our binary is 1101, and then combine it, so final answer is 0010000111101. Now conversion of binary to hexadecimal. The conversion from binary to hex is just the reverse of above process. The binary number is grouped into groups of 4 bits, and each group it is converted to its equivalent hex digit. First example, 0001101000111. Right to left, combine 4 digit. Now this 4 digit and now this 4 digit separately write down, and then convert it into hex. So 0001, our hex is 1, 1010, our hexa is A, and for 0111, our hexa is 7. Now combine it, so our answer is 1A7. Another example, 0010000111101. Write down 4 group and write down it right to left. So 1101, 0001 and 0010. Write it separately. For our 0010, hexa is 2. For 0001, our hexa is 1, and for 1101, our hexa is D. Combine it, so our final answer is 21D hexa. Thank you.